Switch it up then. All right, we made it to the Cheesecake Factory for lunchtime, and then Monday we're gonna check out and see the new menu.
Cause I don't use the bathroom and everything really well, you know. Get over there. You see a lunch special?
So we're looking for like lunch.
It's a lunch special.
Oh, okay.
They usually have
Graham burgers and sandwiches.
Okay.
Oh, lunch special just right here.
Uh-huh.
All right, we got Renee's special, lunch soup and salad, lunch flatbread, pasta, chicken specials, favorites, and salmon.
Yeah, well, lunch special.
All right, guys, I know it's Monday, and we decided to treat ourselves to Cheesecake Factory. So here's the tea. The only two things that you need to order at Cheesecake Factory are the buffalo chicken bite appetizers and the key lime pie.
The salad and the soup for the day. What's the soup for the day?
So we have our cream and cheese.
And what is the regular salad?
So the house salad is going to be a mix of greens. It's going to have a wedge tomato. Otherwise, you can also get a Caesar salad for a charge of $1.
Never ate it
All right, the buffalo bites.
Okay.
If you need anything else, please let me know.
Okay.
All right, this is the reason why we even come here.
Yeah. Shut down. And this time, kick it. Right.
Be able to get through things, but I don't want to just be barely making it.
Right.
I think that's
Okay,
why.
well, then go from there. All right. Here's our blue cheese.
I like the blue cheese.
I'll take the ranch.
Give her the blue. Okay.
That's the one. Let me
Amazing. So, thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in my next one, and I hope you are enjoying your summer. Alright, that's our house. So we ordered a cheesecake to go, and then we took all the leftover food, but everything, the buffaloes, and wow,
It's 7 minutes away.
they're fire.